Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. In this video I will show how to create Get Scarlet bank. So let's start. First you have to need full fresh session. Then email should be created according to session name. Then connect USA proxy. My proxy already connected. Open browser and search on Google bar Scarlet bank. Press enter. This Scarlet bank website, click on this site. Get started, click open an account. It is loading a bit. Next, let's get started. Enter your my 𝗲𝐿𝐶𝐴 membership. I am a new user, that's why I don't have my 𝗲𝐿𝐶𝐴 membership. That's why first you have to create 𝗲𝐿𝐶𝐴 account. So join free now. Join free now again, click. New member, get started. Click create new account. So use session first name and too long using this mail. Create 8-digit password. Click paste session user session owner phone number, zip code. I read and agree to the 𝗲𝐿𝐶𝐴 term use. Continue, click. Sorry, 0. Continue. See membership, 𝗲𝐿𝐶𝐴 membership. Copy the membership and see and paste here. Then next, click next. Session username should be created according to a session name. Copy. So copy username and paste here. paste on notepad and save. Email, confirm email, type manually because confirm will not paste. Too long. Password create must be 8 character up and uppercase, lowercase and number. Confirm password. Some mistake. Copy password and save on notepad. Click next. Then first name, last name. And all time remove space. Date of birth 04191992. Click next. Phone number, next. Zip code, sorry, alright, next. Paste your address correct, then show full address. See, full address show it. Next, social security number, copy and paste here. You can type manually as you wish. Next, now let's set up your ATM pin. So create 4-digit ATM pin and save on notepad must be. Next, almost there. Let's review your info. Please take a moment to ensure the information you provide is correct. My all information is correct. Click confirm information. E-communication disclosure. Please review the Scarlet bank account e-communication disclosure below. By clicking next, you agree to the terms outlined in this document. I am agree, then press next. Almost done, blah blah blah. Now please take just few minutes to review the terms associated with your account. I am agree all terms condition. Click submit. Your decision used not before then your account is approved. I am not robot. Select bicycle, select traffic light, click verify, submit. My net connection little bit slow, that's why see my account done, my SSN fresh, that's why account is approved. Awesome, your personal Scarlet debit card is on the way. You card should be arrived in 7 to 10 days. So continue login. My email login already, another browser. See, I'm loading a page. See, sir, please confirm your email address. See time, copy link address and paste and go. Anyone by Scarlet Bank, then text me on Telegram. So now copy username and paste here and copy password. Click login. Send email temporary verify code. So your Scarlet temporary code, copy code and paste here and verify. Your device has been verified. Go to home. Tell us about what you do. Select option. You choose any option as your wish. Same here, submit. You can get account number and routing number. See my profile, account number, routing number, and you get access virtual card. It is loading a bit. See account number, card number, security code, expiry date. See, so that's for in today. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Thank you.